Okay, here we are with a Lockwood cylinder. It's a 530 or 930 series. Here is the key. So she looks to be 5-pin. Oops, excuse me. Clumsy. Yeah, 5 pins. So, going for above keyway. Ease that back a bit so we're not biting on the first pin. I'll grab my trusty Sparrow short hook. And we're just going to go straight in, and I'm going to go from where I land. Maybe I won't. That was pin 3, but I might back off. So, pin 1 there, because I felt that binding. Ooh. Probing for the next binding pin. Now I'm going to go back to, slipped off. I slipped off one pin, and I think I set the one I fell onto. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, come back to, slide over set. Let me see if I can ease that back into place. Pushing 1, 2, let's have a poke at 3, getting a bit of feedback. Again, I'm oversetting. Yikes. I'm all heavy-handed. 2, 3, I think I managed to drop it down to where it should be. 4. I think I squeaked it into place. Pin 5 I'm getting feedback on. Again, I'm oversetting. Jeepers creepers. Again, I've got to ease the tension off and let it slip back into place. Okay. I think I dropped something when I had to overset. I had to fix it overset. Never mind, we'll go back to pin 1, a bit of a feel. Did I glide over pin 2? Okay. I increase tension a little bit. See if I can find an obvious binding. I think we're on there. We'll ease back on the tension. I think that's definite feedback. Whoa. Would you believe I've overset again? Okay. Pin 1. Pin 3 here, getting feedback on again. See if I can not overset for a change. Yay! That was fun. Alright. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Back in a moment. Okay, at the dissection table, I'm going to use this tool for about the only thing it's probably good for. And if I can, remove this C-clip. Right. Presto. Oops. Almost slung it across the room. It's meant to be a tension tool, but it sucks. Okay. There's a lip here that I'm going to have problems with. This doesn't really fit the task for me. Any of the followers I've got, I'm going to have a hole. So, what we're going to have to do is use a shim. If I can wiggle it straight. And then see, that's on an angle. That's bad, bad, bad. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Cross your fingers. Oh, we've lost a pin. Key pin. Jeepers creepers. Okay. I need to regroup. Hang on a second. Okay, back again. Sorry about that. I have to free my hands up. So, I'll manage to get that shim into place. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5 from the cylinder. All standard. Stainless steel. All of the little beveled tops. Okay. Now, retrieve my shim. Okie dokie. Let's try and work our way to the first pin. Oops. Bounced conveniently into the right place. So a very small spool pin there. Another spool, another stainless steel spool pin. Trying to be careful here. Famous last words. Oops. Whoa. Dogged it. Another spill pin. Oh, I'm caught on a spring. Right. Out of the way. Yeah, another spool pin. I'll just chip this one out. Another spool pin there, number 5. Oops. Trying to escape. Back there. Okay. Dump out the springs. Alrighty, I'll just tidy up a second and we'll come in for a closer view. Back in a sec. Okay, here we are, a little bit closer. So, 5 stainless steel key pins, all with nice little bevels on top to make it nice and easy to get caught up in the shear line. And also these stainless steel spool pins, all spools, all 5, different sizes, presumably the different masses help to make the lock more immune, let's say, to bumping. At least that's my assumption behind what's going on there. And all standard springs. So, inside the cylinder, nothing fancy there that I can see. And up in the housing, up in the Bible, it all looks normal as well. So, there you have it. That's what the inside of that lock looks like. Not a particularly difficult pick. I expect it to be different in situ, but it is what it is. There's obviously some security implied there with the security pins. I don't know. I think some modifications to this lock might be in order. Who knows? Something nice could become of it. We shall see. Alright, that's enough waffle from me. Peace and respect, everyone. I'm out.